In this video, I'm going to show you 2 techniques that you can use to make less mistakes when you are speaking French. Salut, I'm Marie, I am a French native teacher and I help French learners to understand and use the French language. If you are serious about learning French, join us on the French Club to know more about how to learn French and get notified of each new videos and workshops. Now, both strategies that I'm going to share with you today follow the same idea: problem solving your mistake. The idea is to find your mistakes and work on those specific points until you don't make those types of mistakes anymore. There is a slight difference, however, if you are capable to tell when you have made a mistake or not. The first strategy is for you if you cannot tell when you have made a mistake. You might be at an early stage in your learning journey and you know you are making mistakes, but it's hard for you to tell which ones and when you are making them. You might know that using verbs is hard, but you might not be able to tell right away if your verb is correct or not. In that situation, the only way to work on those mistakes is to get some sort of feedback from someone. In my opinion, the best kind of feedback in this case is a professional one. Get a teacher to speak to regularly that will point out your mistakes, tell you what you need to pay attention to, and give you the help that you need. Now, I understand that not all of you can afford a teacher, and that's fine. You can get your feedback from other sources, people on the internet, a free app, or an application to chat, for example. Just know that not everyone you will meet will want to be a teacher or to know what they are talking about, and that includes natives as well. As a rule of thumb, if someone is correcting every single one of your mistakes and cutting you off to correct you, it's probably not the best supportive person to get feedback from. On the other hand, if you asked for feedback, but that the person doesn't tell you when you keep making the same mistakes, well, that person is probably not interested in giving you feedback. That's okay, maybe this person could just be a conversation partner. That being said, don't be afraid of genuine supportive feedback. It's really a stepping stone for you to progress. There comes a time in a learner's journey when he or she can spot their own mistakes. I'm sure you have experienced it if you're watching this video. You are saying something and you realize as you say it that it's not what you should have said. And you either let it slide because the person you were speaking to understood, or you correct yourself right away. It's fine, either way is good. But if you want to power charge your French really fast and get rid of a lot of those types of mistakes, I advise you to keep a notebook or to make a list where you write down your mistakes. As you write them down, you will see patterns. Some mistakes you made only once or twice. Others you keep getting wrong. And I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Recently, I've become sick of hearing myself forgetting my S's when I speak English. So I made a note of it, and when I record videos, I try to pay close attention to this. So you tell me, how am I doing so far in this video? Should you choose to use strategy number 1 or strategy number 2, remember that making mistakes is totally okay. That you shouldn't try to get rid of them all at once. Speaking with a broken French is better than not speaking at all. So don't let it stop you from enjoying your French learning journey. If you enjoyed this video, you will sure love to learn more about how to speak French faster. À la prochaine!